Oh, the Miss GEICO, the Zelos. I love the Zelos. I have my Zelos there, my twin. Favorite boat. Works the best. Now, I won this. I can't wait to try it out. So I figured I'd do an unboxing and a comparison. I already cut the tape, but I did not take it out of the box. I did not look at it. It's very exciting. Yeah. I had an old Pro Boat GEICO. It was one of my favorites. And I went to one of my friends. They liked it. Oh, baby. Look at the job on that. The stickers are awesome. Awesome fun. I got a smaller knife this time. Safe. Because everybody doesn't like my big knife. I like my big knife. Just saying. Oh, this is the remote. So, first thing I'll change is the transmitter. I do like the Pro Boats, but Pro Marine is my go-to. I know a couple guys that have had trouble with these boats so far, so I'm a little nervous. I was pretty excited I had it coming. Oh, we got the antenna. Oh, stickers. Same one as some stickers. So there they are, Pro Boat. A manual. It's wrapped well. I can get it out of here. I just want to get it open. I want to compare it to my my Zelos. Get rid of the box. Nice. Oh, I love the sticker. The Zelos twin was my favorite boat. Like it performs. For your dollar, it's a good boat. These props seem a little different. I don't know where the stand is. It says there's a stand.
Maybe it's in the boat.
I doubt it. Wow. Cool. Let's take a look-see. So these must be the water jets coming out the top now. Can you come a little closer? I do like the 4 hatch pins. It's very nice. Oh, the stand is in the boat. Thanks.
Good idea.
Nice. Who would have thought?
I thought that.
So I'll put this away. Oh, look. So they have the 2 ECs. No, see, I take these off and I put my 6.5 millimeter bullets on them. Yeah, so I can do what I want with them. And it's pretty much the same boat. Yeah. I wish I had a little more hull room in here to get my bigger batteries way up front. But, can't have everything. The stand, very nice, very nice. I had a couple guys in the States now that their hull split. Yeah, nothing stands out. But you know, a crash is a crash, right? They recommend 3-cell for these, 2-cell and 3-cell. We put 6 in them. It makes them go fast. Yeah, I'm gonna bring the Zelos over and do a little comparison. Yeah, put this cover over. This out of the way. Like that one. I'll grab this one. Oh yeah, my baby. This one's got a few miles on it. Yeah, it's the same boat. It's the same boat. Stand on my heater. I got my house so full of RCs, I got no place left to stand. If you don't believe me, ask Allison. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty much the same. Feels the same hardness. Other guys are doing the wraps now. Pipes are the same. They put a bigger motor. Yeah. It's the same boat, same length, just a little lighter color, and the GEICO on it. Nice. My paper, my cheat notes. Yeah, I looked at it for the first time. It says recommended battery, two 7.4 500 milliamps, or 3 cells. Wow. This one is 60 plus out of the box, and this one's 70 plus. So that should be exciting. Two dynamite 120 amp. This has two dynamite 120 amp. And this has the 2000 kV, and this has the 1900 kV, so it's a little smaller.
Maybe it's lighter.
Well, it is a little lighter. It's 8.6 pounds, and this one's 9.65. So I don't know where they made up the weight, because it's pretty much the same boat. ESC is the same size. This one here I've crashed a few times. It feels solid, right? Oh, there's the difference. A little bounce in this one and no bounce in this one. Yeah, because the Zelos is a really good haul. I've had this airborne a few times. Yeah, and there is a little more flex on this body. Yeah, feel it, especially here. Oh wow, right? That really bends. Can you see that? Yeah. Well, we'll give her a try. It's got a longer aerial. And hopefully on the weekend I'll get this out for a little rip. If I like it. Oh yeah. It's my baby. Can't wait to try it out and drive fast. Keep updated. I'll show you the first drive. Driving her on 6S 8,000 milliamp batteries. Give her a little test run. She's a little beauty. Little miss. Cool.